Alright, hello everyone. Today we are here with my new car. When the first package arrived, I kept going with what is left. Let's start with the cabin filter. To get to the cabin filter, the work is a bit more complex than the standard Japanese car, but not too complicated. Two trim pieces under the steering wheel, they come out by pulling out or turning a locking clip. And then there is this lower side trim that is held by a Torx 20 screw. After removing it, there is access to the cabin filter housing. Unfortunately, the access is not the most comfortable, and the insulating fabric around the housing doesn't leave too much space to work either. But remove the plastic cover, take out the old filter which has seen better days, turn on the blower at maximum speed to remove any leaves and dirt from the system, and put in a new filter. Close the airbox in the reverse order. Before putting back the trim that covered the area, make sure that the box cover sits well and no air escapes from it. If it does, it will reduce the intensity of the ventilation in the passenger compartment. I went on to change the air filter. In this case, I'm using Bosch's filter. It is a very simple job here as well. We have 4 Torx 20 screws that attach the two parts of the airbox. Take out the old filter, put the new one, and tighten everything back together. The third brake light, which is an LED, was weak, and at the cost of a few bucks was replaced with a new light. The work to replace it does not require any tools. All you have to do is remove the cover inside the trunk door, loosen the 2 butterfly nuts that hold the light in place, pull the connector out, and also disconnect the rear washer hose, and assemble the new light in the reverse order. And here you have a new working brake light. And it's also splashing windshield washer fluid. I'm ending the video with the first thing I fixed in the car, the cup holder. The cup holder was stuck in a half-open position and did not want to close. This was compared to the cup holder on the driver's side. The removal of the cup holder tray using 2 Torx 20s revealed to me that the mechanism and the problem. It was just a small plastic chip that broke. But this small chip controls the opening and closing of the gears that release or lock the cup holder in place. I took a household electrical cord, cut its hard inner wire exactly to the length of the broken chip, sanded it, and then, using heat, glued it to the point where the plastic chip was. I gave it more strength with glue and Q-bond powder. I made sure everything was working properly. I finally put it all back together and voila! We have a proper cup holder. That's it for today. Let me know if you'd like a more extensive guide on any of the work done here today. And tell me your thoughts on fixes I did to an 11-year-old used car.